Most people have many wishes, like get a house, be happy, and get a lot of money. What are your two biggest wishes this year? I have two wishes. First, I will travel the world because traveling is fun. So I want to go to many countries to travel. I really want to go France, USA, and UK because they are famous countries of the world. In France, I want to see Eiffel Tower. In USA, I want to walk around the USA streets. In UK, I want to eat famous UK food. In the country I go, I want to tour the city. Second, I want to have a lot of money because money can buy anything. So every day I want to get 100,000 won. If I get every day to 100,000 won, I want to play with my friends every weekend. I want to buy things for my parents and eat delicious food with my family. Then my life will be happy because I do what I want. In conclusion, my wish is to go travel and have a lot of money. What is your wish? Thank you for listening to my presentation.